Today we are going to learn about cryptocurrency investment for beginners. In this video, we'll demystify the world of cryptocurrency, understand the underlying blockchain technology, identify promising digital currencies, and explore the principles of risk management in crypto investment. By the end of the video, you will be equipped with the knowledge to start your journey into the exciting world of crypto investment. Welcome to the world of cryptocurrency. A cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual form of currency that uses cryptography for security. It emerged with the creation of Bitcoin in 2009 by an unknown entity called Satoshi Nakamoto. Cryptocurrencies operate on a technology called blockchain, which is a decentralized system spread across many computers that manages and records transactions. Their decentralized nature, coupled with their security and privacy features, make them unique. However, their value can fluctuate wildly, hence they are known for their volatility. Blockchain is the technology that underpins cryptocurrencies. It's a type of distributed ledger that is completely open to anyone. Blockchain consists of multiple blocks, each containing data. Once a block is filled with data, it is chained onto the previous block, which makes the data chain together in chronological order. Its decentralized nature eliminates the need for a central authority, and its secure design ensures that data is transparent and immutable. Before investing in any cryptocurrency, it's crucial to do your research. Investigate the team behind the coin, read the white paper, and understand what problem the coin is trying to solve. Analyze its market capitalization, look at the token economics, and assess the utility of the coin. Also, evaluate the strength and activity of the community behind the coin, and consider the competition. Investing in cryptocurrencies can be risky due to their volatility. It's crucial to only invest what you can afford to lose. Diversifying your portfolio can help spread the risk. Regular monitoring of your investments is also important. Stay vigilant against scams and understand the tax implications of your investments. Lastly, keeping your digital assets secure is paramount. In conclusion, investing in cryptocurrencies can be an exciting journey, but it requires thorough research and careful risk management. The world of cryptocurrencies is vast and full of potential, but it's crucial to approach it with a clear understanding and a level-headed strategy. Remember, the key to successful investing is knowledge. Happy investing, be investing, be investing, be investing.